Good day, everyone. I am Relene de la Bahan Kagit, and today I'm gonna present you my laboratory activity on object-oriented programming. I will demonstrate how my program applies the one of the OOP concepts, which is the polymorphism, and explain how it works step by step. Um, This program called the IT Day 2026 ticketing system. And in this program, I created the parent class, which I called ticket. And in my class, I have one attribute which I called the holder name. And then I create a method which is the get price, and it will return 100 as the default price. So I have here, and the next I created three three child class. The first one is the student ticket, and then that overrides the method, and it will return 50. And then also the VIP ticket, which also override the method, and it will return 230. And the sponsor ticket, which also override the method, and it will print sponsored, and it will return 0 because sponsored tickets are free. So here I create a function which is which it calls print receipt. For it will display the holder name, the data type, data no, I'm so sorry. For the ticket type, and then the price, then the price of the ticket. So this kind of method I use here is overriding, where child classes redefine a method from the parent class. And then the most important part here is that the function does not need to know what type of ticket it is. It simply calls get price, and the Python automatically uses the correct version depending on the object. So this is the polymorphism, same name but different method. Different behavior. So this time we're gonna test if if our code is correct. We're gonna name it Carla. For VIP ticket, we're gonna name it Mary. For the sponsor ticket, We're gonna name it Mr. Vlad. So to make a list of the holder name, type, type of the ticket, and the price of the ticket, we're gonna use the for loop. So for in I-40 in tickets, print receipt. So finally, we have our result. So the student ticket, it the name of the who sold or who availed the student ticket, which is Carla. Then the VIP ticket, which is Marie. Then sponsored is Master Vlad. And the amount of the ticket they sold, or they bought, or they buy, or they avail. So finally, I created the list of the ticket objects and use a loop to print the receipt for each one. So here. So in conclusion, polymorphism reduces code duplication because we use one method name and one function for different objects. It makes the program clear, cleaner, flexible, and easier to expand. That's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.